nalilito kung sino ba yung pupuntahan natin for our mental health consultations. It's either psychologist ba or psychiatrist. Don't worry, pareho lang kaming mental health professionals, pero magkaiba yung role namin. As a psychologist, ang trabaho ko ay, or namin, ay tulungan kang maintindihan yung mga thoughts and emotions and behaviors mo. So, yes, gumagamit kami ng talk therapy or other approaches para mas matulungan namin ang isang client to cope na ma-break yung isang pattern, ma-manage yung stress niya, or mga unhealthy habits. Pwede rin kaming magbigay ng mga psychological assessment or test para malaman natin kung anong areas ang kailangan ng support. Nabibigay din kami ng guide sa personal growth or adjustment or even goal settings. Hindi kami nagpe-prescribe ng gamot. So kung kailangan mo ng support, emotional clarity, or guidance, kami yon. On the other hand, ang psychiatrist ay isang medical doctor. So, sila yung nagda-diagnose for mental health illnesses and then nagbibigay sila ng medical treatment. So, yun. Ang focus nila kasi mostly sa biological, neurological, or chemical aspect ng mental health. So, of course, nagtitherapy din naman sila, pero kadalasan medications ang main focus nila. So, yun, kapag psychologist, more on talk therapy. Kapag kailangan ng medications kasi severe na yung conditions, psychiatrist. So, emotional processing, behavior change, life clarity, psychologist, yon. Kapag medication, tapos mga severe mental health conditions, psychiatrists naman siya. Minsan, mas effective kung combination ng dalawa, therapy plus medication. Ang importante kasi dito, makuha mo yung support na fit doon sa kailangan mo.